This is Evan with PCS Outdoors, and today we're unboxing the Bachmann Durango and Silverton ready-to-use train set. It's complete, ready to run. It's an HO scale electric train set, and we're gonna open it up and take a look at it. They come in this nice plastic wrap here. It has two packages here. So it looks like the first one has a lot of the track, which it comes with a lot of track. You can do it in several different configurations. You can do the oval. Nice set of directions. It's all twist tied in here really well, so you don't have to worry about the pieces flopping around and messing with each other. These are the Easy Connect straight track right here. Comes with a couple pieces of straight and a lot of pieces of the curved. And the Easy Track actually is kind of neat stuff because it clips together, as it says, easily. You just got to make sure everything's lined up nice, and it goes together just like that. So it's really easy to set up. You have all the different configurations. A lot of the time start with a nice simple oval to start with and have some fun, and then you can always adjust it other ways. Now we're going to actually open the train here. Grab one of my Asable knives. So these are packaged up really nice, and they are fairly fragile, and they have so many neat little intricate parts on them. So we're gonna, here is the locomotive and the little coal car. And it has some nice weight to it. So you want to be real careful when you pull it out of the box not to bang it around and stuff, because they have lots of little parts, and you don't want to scratch up your brand new train. Sitting on the tracks there. And then this model comes with 3 cars. The locomotive is always kind of the major fun, exciting part in my opinion. I have 2 cars that are the same and one that's a little different. Also comes with a nice set of directions, give you a lot of information. One of the first things I always check when I get stuff like this is the quantities and make sure you actually have everything that's in the box, because as good as any manufacturer can be, sometimes something might not make it in the box. So we have, this is nice that it gives the whole breakdown of all the different parts and stuff. So if you do have a wheel that breaks or any issues, it's easy to get a hold of the company and tell them exactly what you need, and you'll get actually a name or a part number there, which is cool. Also comes with, I didn't take all the track out, but it comes with the cable to hook up to your track. It plugs right in. Actually, you can plug it in on either side, so it matters which way your track's set up. So if you have a power going one direction, you can always make sure that that power is easy to hook up. Here, this right here is your other part that'll plug into. There's also the last pieces here is, of course, the way to power the whole track. Got to plug it into the wall. So this one's a nice one. It can get you totally set up and ready to go with all the stuff right in this one kit. HO scale is a nice popular one, great size. Nice because it comes with the controller, which is pretty simple to use. You have the two directions, so if you want to back your train up or want it to go the opposite way, you can switch that, and then you have the speed control. So it's a very simple one to use once you get it all set up. This is more of the curve track here. And I'm going to do as I said earlier. I'm going to take a look at the parts list and make sure we have everything. So we have the tender and the engine itself, which is right there. We have the open-sided car, and then these two cars are a little bit different. And that's what's amazing with the model trains. They have so many things, and there's so little intricate things that make all these cars different. And the great collectors, I mean, they got the specific stuff they like, whether it's a specific train line or a specific type of car. Check out PCS Outdoors, and if we don't have what you're looking for, give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll see if we can find it for you.